Hey, what's up guys? Today in this video I'm going to show you how to install new lock screen clocks on your any Samsung oneui 8 device. So let's begin. Okay guys, first you have to download this app on your Galaxy device. This app's download link available on description, and this app's absolutely free. Before start, simply go to Galaxy Store and download Good Lock. After download, tap and open, and guys, first update Lockstar plugin. In my device, this Lockstar plugin already updated. Then guys, simply go to home screen, close all recent apps. Now tap and open clock, set permissions, tap and OK. Now go to clock style, and you can see many of beautiful clocks available on this app. Paid and free clocks, both clocks available on this app. Many of beautiful free clocks also available. You can see. Tap and select. Guys, you can see I tap this clock and this is not select. It means this is premium clock. Now I will show you how to add. You can see. Now tap on more customization option, and you also set display style, horizontal, vertical clock, content ratio, surface type. These all options available in this app. Simply apply. Now simply tap on apply. You can see additional info. You also set additional info on clock. Tap on analog design, and also available analog clocks in this app. Widget colors. Guys, these options are paid. Now in last, tap on update. Simply cancel. Now go to home screen. First, disable system lock screen. Hide system lock screen. Simply tap, go to colors and set transparency like this. Simply tap and done, and you can see system clock hide. Simply arrange one side. Now tap on Lockstar, add widget, and go to pixel widget. Simply tap and add widget. Now you can see clock add on my Galaxy device. Simply tap and done, and new clock add my Galaxy device. This is really looking awesome. I will show you another clock. Simply tap, and now I will show you how to change this clock. Simply tap and select clock. Okay, now I will show you another clock. Simply tap and open second app, and you can see digital clock on your screen. Simply tap and go to setting, and you also choose clocks. You can see vertical or horizontal clocks. Now go back. You also set colors in this app like this. Now I will show you how to add this clock. Simply delete previous clock. Simply tap and add widget and add like this. Now this is beautiful digital clock also add on your Galaxy device. You can see live seconds, or you want to add horizontal clock, simply tap and edit. Delete this clock first, add again horizontal clock. So guys, you also add new lock screen clocks on your any Galaxy device like this. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have enjoyed this video, then like, share and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching guys. See you in next video. Bye bye.